I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So today, as you can see from the title down below, we're going to be unboxing the August 2019 Rebecca Mail. This subscription is always so amazing and so much fun. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it if you are not familiar, and then we will get into the unboxing. It says it is a stationery box designed to add an extra dose of happy to your month. It says Life's Tough, Send Fun Mail, and that's actually on each box here. There. We all need fun added to our daily routines. The Rebecca Mail and Rebecca Snail Mail are monthly stationery subscription boxes designed to inspire and add fun to your mailbox and the mailbox of whoever receives the cards. Now, you do get free shipping with this subscription, which I think is fantastic. And as mentioned, there are 2 different subscription levels. So you can do the Rebecca Mail box, which is what I have here, with 5 cards. You get pens, pencils, and other special little gifts. There's usually always a treat in here. And it's $20 a month. Then you can do the snail, or you could do the snail mail box, which is just the cards, for $12.50 a month. So now I will put a link down below if you'd like to head over and sign up. I definitely think this is one of the cutest subscriptions. I've gotten some, just absolutely adorable items before, so I can't wait to see what we have for August. So I do want to remind you guys, we do have our Tribe Beauty Box giveaway going on. It is for the August 2019, the entire Tribe Beauty Box. So if you would like a chance to win that, head over, check that out. It does end on September 6th. And you guys, we are so close to 5,000 subscribers. Go ahead, if you are new, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. We always have a great time here with unboxings, live streams, reviews, sneak peek videos, all kinds of fun stuff. So go ahead and hit that button, become a part of our family. Let's get to 5K. And when we do, I'm telling you guys, this giveaway is going to be epic. Like the best one, I think, to date. So yeah. And don't forget, leave a comment down below telling me what you think about the unboxing, how your day is going. I just like hearing from you guys. And as always, if you enjoy the video, please do give it a thumbs up. But let's get in here and see. Oh, I already see like so many things that I'm so excited about. All right, so we have our card here with the theme. This is what we see. I already see like 3 things that I'm like, what? All right, so the August 2019 Rebecca Mail theme is Say Okay to Vacay. It's August. Can you believe it's our last month of summer vacation? In some parts of the country, it's already back to school time, but there is still time for one last summer getaway. So pack your bags, grab your sunglasses, buy your favorite car snacks, and prepare for a summer road trip. Or at least wish you were with this month's cards. This month's cards designed exclusively for Rebecca Mail by featured artist and graphic designer Allie Dorbis. If the name sounds familiar, it's because she's also my daughter. Aw, yay! If you get our deluxe box, you will also find in your box are some fun summer accessories. I'm not going to read that because that says it. And then it says enjoy Rebecca. So she's so sweet. Like, she is just like the sweetest. And to know that these cards are designed by her daughter, I think is super fun and just makes it a little bit more special. So we're going to start with our little treat because it's one of my favorites. And it's the Milano cookies. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you. And then this is one of the things I didn't want to read because I didn't want to give it away, but it is a sheet mask. Yay! So I'm all about a sheet mask. Love this. This obviously is pomegranate, and it's a collagen mask. So I'm so excited to use that. Thank you. I'll pretend I'm on vacation. And then here we have a pin right here, and we can actually put our name on it, which is pretty neat. Super awesome. And then you guys, we have another pin, and y'all know I'm like a pin junkie. Like, cute pins get me every time. And this pin combines 2 of my favorite things. If I'm kind of giving it away. It combines pineapples and rose gold. You guys, look at this pin. Like, I'm like, oh, what? This is so stinking adorable. put it right up there. I'm like, oh my gosh. And now, as if those just weren't enough good treats to say, hey, here, have a good day, have a good month, we still have our 5 cards, which are always amazing. I love the cards in this box. And again, to know that this month they are designed by her daughter, I think is so fantastic. So I cannot wait to see. Oh, there's something else in here. And it's also pineapple. Oh my gosh, this is like the never-ending box. And this is so perfect. It is a bottle opener. I love this. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Are you serious right now? Like, see, that's one thing about this box that I love too, is it obviously, it is a stationary subscription, you know, because you get the cards. But the other items that she puts in, you can tell she really puts thought into putting those items in here. And they're always amazing. I mean, what stationary subscription are you going to get a sheet mask, Milano cookies, that adorable rose gold pineapple pin, and a pineapple bottle opener? It's not going to happen. So this is just, it's amazing. But now let's get to our 5 cards. So this is what the first one looks like. It says, should I book a trip? Brain, no. Wallet, no. Mom, no. Dog, no. Universe, no. ... I think I'm gonna book the trip. Which is awesome. And it is blank inside, but it does also come with an envelope, which is great. And then this is super cute. This is like the old school VW buses. And it says adventure. And let's see. I apologize. Yes, blank inside. Most of her cards are blank inside, so. Okay, so this is absolutely yes. Yes. So this is super cute. It's got like luggage bags on it. And it says, physically, I'm here. Mentally, I'm in a pool in Bali ordering my 3rd mojito. Yep, that would, Yep. And this is super cute. So this again has the VW bug. I love that, the classic VW bug. It says, me, I want to travel. Wallet, like to the park. These cards always just make me laugh. And I just love them. They're always so funny and gorgeous, and I just think they're amazing. So if you had to choose between true love or traveling the world, ... It's the VW bug. It says, which country would you choose first or visit first? That is hilarious. Well, Allie, I think you did a wonderful job. I think these turned out fantastic. I think this box just in general, every single month is amazing, you guys. And I look forward to this box every month. So I think it is so awesome. So we got the 5 hilarious, wonderful cards. Again, thank you, Allie. They were amazing. We got the yummy Milano cookies. These beautiful rose gold pineapple pin. We got another pin here, right here. We can write with, and we can actually like put our name on, which is really cool. We got the pomegranate sheet mask and this beautiful pineapple bottle opener. This was like an amazing stationery box, you guys. So let me know what you think down below. Like I said, I will put a link down for Rebecca Mail if you would like to sign up. I highly recommend it, you guys. I mean, even if you just get the snail mail and just get the cards are always amazing. I definitely love the box, like the Rebecca Mail box, because you get all these super non-traditional stationery box type items, which I think is so fantastic and so unique. I love it so much. So anyway, have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you guys on the next one. Bye.